Deputy Wellborn with the Harris County Sheriff's Office Crash Investigation or Vehicular Crimes Division crash investigator. On Saturday, March 1st, District 3 patrol deputies were dispatched to the 15,000 block of Market Street in reference to a two-vehicle major crash involving a semi-truck and a sedan. The driver of the semi-truck was uninjured. The driver of the sedan was pronounced deceased on scene prior to District 3's arrival. The sedan only had one occupant on the inside of it.